Hi everyone, it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you all this beautiful design team box I got from Crafty Me Shop. And I cannot wait to go inside. She just has it wrapped with this beautiful white velvet ribbon. She always sends the prettiest boxes, so I can't wait to get inside. So if you are new to my channel, welcome, and I will have the link down below where you can go find these beautiful laces and appliques. She is on Facebook. So let's go ahead and get inside. Oh my goodness, look at all of this beauty. Just stunning. So you can purchase boxes like this right now. Look at how beautiful this flower is. That's so pretty. So she has sales every Friday. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, sometimes Sunday, Monday. It just depends. Look at how stunning that is. The most beautiful pink applique. Stunning. Look at this, is so beautiful. So if you struggle to find laces and appliques, you need to head on over to her group. And this is one of my favorite appliques. This is so beautiful. I believe this is her CMS lace, which is my favorite. We have these beautiful little appliques here. I hope that everyone is having a wonderful day. We finally got some sunshine, so I can give y'all better light in my video. We have this pretty applique here. Beautiful. And this is so pretty. I love this. She probably dyed this in her Hocus Pocus. And her Hocus Pocus is just a certain dye that she does for her laces. So this is a bow, I believe. Yeah. Isn't that so cute? And these are some of my favorite little appliques here. Isn't that pretty? That is beautiful. So she sells laces, appliques, she sells books, French books, she sells ephemera, and she sells die cuts and stamps, but it's mostly laces and appliques. Look at how pretty that is. Gorgeous. So when you go to her group, there's going to be some questions that you have to answer in order to join. Once you answer the questions and you're in the group, you will then message Esme or Maggie White and give them your PayPal information. So they will have it before you start to shop. Now, whenever you want to start shopping, she's going to post pictures. So when she posts the pictures, you're going to comment, like, okay, if she posted this, you're going to comment 1 or 2, however many you want. Same for yards of lace. And if you get that item, she will give you a thumbs up. Once the sale is over, she will send you an invoice. And she always lets you know when she's going to send that out. And when she does, you have a certain amount of time to pay it, or your order will not go out. Isn't that adorable? I love these appliques. They're flat and perfect for your journals or tags for your books. And I love these as well. So pretty, because you can just cut little pieces off. This is so beautiful. I've never seen this one. I think I just saw one like it or similar, but I've never seen this one before. It's pretty. We have two of these. These are perfect for book pages or corners. I love applique shaped this way. We have some beautiful blingy trim. Oh, she also does sell jewelry sometimes. This last sale, she did sell some jewelry. That's pretty. And I believe that's her vintage bling. We have some little flowers here. Some little ribbon flowers. Aren't they beautiful? Another pretty applique. This is some beautiful pink lace. I wonder if she dyed this herself. Wow, that's beautiful. Ooh, look at this. That is stunning. Wow. I love this trim. Isn't that cute for edges of your pages? It's gorgeous. Oh, and this is so pretty. It's a light baby pink. We have a teeny tiny crocheted rose. So cute. Oh, this is super soft and stretchy. Beautiful lace. Gorgeous. I believe that was in her last sale. We have this beautiful lace here. This looks vintage. Gorgeous. And I think this is another Hocus Pocus dyed lace. So pretty. Vintagey. Ooh, this is stunning here. Oh, I've never seen that one. It looks like it may be avocado dyed. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, I love it. We have this beautiful applique here. Love the colors and the pearl beads. So pretty. We have this little trim here. This is so pretty here. That looks like hearts. Beautiful. Oh, and I love these trims here. I use them all the time in my projects. So perfect for fabric books and journals. Oh, this is beautiful. That's some really thin, beautiful lace. That is so pretty. We have some more flowers in here. Beautiful. You can never have enough flowers. There's another crochet one, the lavender. Oh my gosh. I love these beautiful little darling angels. I have some I got from her a while back. I haven't used. I love them too much. Thank you so much. We have this beautiful lace here. It's so pretty. There's a lot in this little box. We have this beautiful pink trim here. It's like a baby pink. And another flower. And this beautiful beaded centerpiece. This is perfect for flowers. Put in the center. This is some CMS lace. So pretty. Another flower. Ooh, that's beautiful. Gorgeous. Oh, this is so neat. It's like feathers. Super soft. That would be pretty behind some flowers. So we have, oh, isn't that adorable? It's a little lady with her umbrella. That is super sweet. I love that. This is so beautiful. I love the color of this lace. So you could cut these, like if you have an image you're doing on a vintage book, you can cut 4 of these and put one all the way around the sides. And that would be beautiful for a frame around your image. Okay, we have this pretty big applique here. Beautiful. And this applique here, this would be good to put on a book, and you can put a button to hold it closed, like on a clutch bag. Be perfect for that. We have another beautiful, delicate, dainty CMS lace. Beautiful. And this is my favorite ribbon trim here because of the colors. I absolutely love this. See how pretty that is? I made some bows with this a while back. They were super cute. And we have this other small trim here. Beautiful. It's all just beautiful. This is beautiful eyelet trim. And this is so pretty because you can cut these and layer them up if you wanted to. Put you a little center in there. Super pretty. I love sage green. This is so pretty. Especially with pink, it's beautiful. We have this light pink lace here. So pretty. And another beautiful flower applique. Some more beautiful CMS lace. It's so stunning. I love it so much. Just beautiful. Oh, I've never seen this one before. That is stunning. I love it. I love wide laces like that. So pretty. We have some more little flowers in here. And another wide pretty lace. Beautiful. So pretty. And this is another CMS lace. It's so gorgeous. So pretty. This is another one of my favorite laces. It's absolutely stunning, y'all. Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And we have this pretty lace here. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. Look at how beautiful this is. Oh my gosh. So pretty. And some more little flowers, beads. Oh, they're so cute. Look at these. They're all in the bottom. Oh my gosh, how cute are they? And we have another beautiful vintage colored lace here. And the last one is this light gray, beautiful lace. Stunning. So that is all that's in the box. Well, there's some more flowers in there. I'll get them out. But I wanted to share with you also, I got this, I purchased this. It's not even going to fit. It's so big. I purchased this huge applique sample binder from her. So this is just some more examples of some appliques that she sells. There's 90 appliques in here. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. So I just wanted to show you because they're so beautiful, and they're perfect for your journals because they're flat. You know, they don't have sequins or beads on them. They're just flat and so pretty. So I appreciate you all so very much for watching. I'm going to have her link down below so you can go join her Facebook group. And I will see y'all in my next video. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye, y'all.